Struggling to find where to change your Wise password? I get it. The settings menus can feel like a maze sometimes. But in just 2 minutes, you will have a new password set and your account secured. No stress, no hunting around. Let me show you exactly where it is. Here is the plan. We are going to walk through logging into your account, finding where the security settings are hidden, and updating your password in just a few clicks. I promise it is way simpler than it looks. All right, so start by logging into your Wise account. You will land on your main account dashboard. Now look up to the very top right corner of your screen. See that little circle with your initials or maybe your profile picture? That is your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to everything account related, from your personal details to all the security stuff we are about to change. From that drop-down menu that just appeared, you are going to see a list of options. Look for one that says Security and Privacy. It's usually right in the middle of the list. Click on that. Now, this is a really important screen. Wise puts all your account safety controls right here, and I have spent a lot of time digging through these settings myself, so I can tell you this is exactly where you need to be. Once you are on the Security and Privacy page, give it a quick scan. You will see different sections for things like two-factor authentication and login alerts, but right now, we are looking for the section labeled Password. It should be right near the top. Just click on the word Password. This will open up the specific page where we can actually make the change. Now, we are getting to the good part. You will see a few blank fields on this new page. The first one asks for your current password. Go ahead and type your existing password in here. This step is vital. Wise wants to make sure it is actually you who is making this change, not someone who just got a hold of your phone. So take your time and type it carefully. Use the little eye icon next to the field to make sure you did not accidentally hit a wrong key. Here we go. Next, it is time to create your new password. You will see the field for new password right below the old one. I always recommend using a password that is not just your old one with a new number at the end. Mix it up with a few uppercase letters, some numbers, maybe a symbol. You will also need to confirm it by typing it again in the field right below. The form will let you know if the new password is strong enough or if it needs to be a little more complex. Make sure you can actually remember this one or save it in a password manager. And here is the final step. You have typed in your current password, your new password, and you have confirmed it. All that is left to do is click that Save button at the bottom of the page. It might take 1 second to process, but once it does, you are done. And just like that, you have successfully changed your Wise password. From feeling a bit stuck or worried about your account security, you are now in full control. Your account is safer, and you know exactly where to go next time you need to update it. Thanks for sticking with me through this. If this helped, I will catch you in the next guide.